Hi, hello everyone. Let's start discussion on the market microstructure deep dive for the high frequency trading firm. So it is a very important topic if you are looking for the quant researcher, quant analyst, quant developer or quant trader role in the high frequency trading firm or the market related domains. So let's start discussion on this topic. Before we are deep dive in this topic, I will request you if you are new to the my channel and if you are interested in to understand the hedge fund organization roles like a quantitative analyst, quantitative developer or the quant trader or the quant researcher. So please do like and subscribe my channel. So that's motivate me to create and more such videos for you guys, and I'm also preparing the batch for the quant researcher role or the quant analyst role, so that definitely help you to get job in the high paying role in the HFT firms. So thank you so much. So let's start discussion on the next and important topic, that is introduction to the market microstructure. So where we are discuss on the overview of the market microstructure, where we discuss on the price formation mechanism, how the price will form, then liquidity and trading cost, high frequency trading insights, and the trade execution and order flow. So, market microstructure is a field of finance that examine the process of outcome of exchange asset under a explicit trading rules. So they have some rules. It focus on the mechanism behind the price formation, liquidity provision, and trading cost. So understanding market microstructure is essential for designating efficient trading strategies, especially in high frequency trading firm environments. It provides insights into how traders are executed, how prices are determined, and how market participants interact. So this knowledge helps quant researcher and trader optimize their strategy by leveraging the detailed data on trade execution and order flow. So that's the overview of the quant researcher. So let's move on the next slide, that is the order book dynamics. So let's understand the order book dynamics. So where we discuss on the order book structure, bid ask spread, and in depth. So if you are looking for the quant role, you should understand the detail of the bid ask spread and liquidity on order type, what are the types of order, and the quantitative analysis. So order book dynamics are central to market microstructure analysis. The order book display all buy and sell order for a particular asset organized by price level. So key components include the bid ask spread, which is a difference between the highest bid and the lowest ask, and the depth, which is referred to volume available at each price level. So liquidity defined as each of executing trade without a significant impacting the price is other critical factor. Various order types such as market limit, stop order influence how traders are executed and how the order book evolve. Quant researchers analyze these dynamics to identify pattern and inefficiencies that can be exploited for the trading strategies. So these the uh, understanding of the order book mechanism. So let's move on the next slide, which is an also important, which is liquidity in financial market. So there is a most important concept of liquidity in financial market. So here we will discuss on the type and impact of liquidity, the definition of liquidity, types of liquidity, impact on market, and role of quant researcher in the liquidity, financial market liquidity. So let's start discussion on this topic. So liquidity is a measure of how quickly an asset and easily an asset can bought and sold in the market without affecting its price. So liquidity means how easily we can buy and sell that asset into the market. So how the liquid is that, if you consider real estate are very less liquidity, but fixing deposit or the bank account or the cash in hand, so that's are very highly liquidity. So there are two main type of liquidity, market liquidity and the funding liquidity. So there are two main types of, one is a market liquidity and another one is a funding liquidity. So market liquidity refers to the ability to execute a trade rapidly, while funding liquidity uh, pertaining to the availability of capital to the finance trade. Okay, so highly liquidity typical result in lower volatility and reduce the execution cost, making it desirable condition for the trader. So quant research study liquidity pattern to understand market behavior and to develop a strategy that minimize the slippage and optimize the trade execution. So that's the help for the trade execution. So let's move on the next and very important topic, which is the price formation mechanism. So where we discuss on the factor influencing the price formation. So in this slide we are discussing on the different factors like supply and demand dynamics, market uh, makers and arbitrage, quantitative research analysis. This we discuss in that slide. So price formation is a financial market is driven by the interaction of supply and demand. It is influenced by various factors including order flow, news event, trader behavior, and market maker and arbitrage play a significant role in maintaining a price efficiency and liquidity. Quant researcher analyze a price formulation to understand how information is incorporated into price and identify opportunities for the arbitrage. By modeling the price formulation process, they can predict the future price movement and design a strategy that capitalize on short-term market inefficiencies. So that's the role of the quant researcher or the quant analyst. So let's discuss on the important topic, that is the quant researcher role in microstructure analysis. So basically, what are the roles and responsibilities of quant researcher while doing the microstructure analysis? So where we discuss on the applications of microstructure inside like order book analysis, predictive modeling, strategy development, and back testing, enhancing the market efficiency. So quant researcher play a crucial role in analyzing market microstructure to develop and refine a trading strategy. They examine order book data to identify pattern and anomalies that can be exploited for the profit. Using a statistical model and machine learning technique, they predict the price movement and optimize the execution strategy. Their work involves extensive data analysis, model development, and backtesting to ensure the robustness and profitability. So, by leveraging microstructure inside, quant researcher contribute to the efficient and competitive of HFT firms. So that's the role and application will do by the quant researcher in the microstructure analysis. So let's move on the very important topic, which is the tools and technique for the microstructure analysis, and that in interview definitely interviewer will ask you some question on that point. So let's start discussion on essential tool for the quant researcher. So the programming language which used by the quant researcher, data platform, and the data visualization tools that used by quant researcher, we will discuss on this topic. So quant researcher use a variety of tool and technologies to analyze the market microstructure. Programming language such as the Python, C++, R, MATLAB commonly used for data analysis and model development. So data platform like KDB plus QSQL and TIG data enable efficiency storage and retrieval of high frequency data. So visualization tools such as Plotly, Matplotlib, Dash help in interpreting the complex data pattern. These techniques are essential for building a robust trading system and for conducting in-depth microstructure research. So these tools are used by the quantitative researcher or the quant analysis for the analysis of data or data visualization. So let's move on very important topic or the last topic, that is the challenges and future trend for the quant researcher. So in this slide we are discussing on the key challenges in a microstructure analysis, role of AI, ML, machine learning in the microstructure analysis, and future trade in microstructure. So, market analysis, analyzing the market microstructure present us several challenges, including managing a latency, ensure the data quality, and adapting to regulatory changes as a market involve. The complexity of microstructure analysis increases and requiring more sophisticated tool and technique. The range of artificial intelligence and machine learning is transforming how the microstructure data is analyzed and enabling the micro accurate predictions and adaptive strategies. So future trend including the increase in automation, there is more and more automation is upcoming in the future, and interactive of data, alternative data sources, and enhance the real-time data analysis. So on-time data analysis will happen. There is a huge role of API integrations, and quant researcher must stay awares of these developments to maintain a competitive edge in fast-paced world of high-frequency trading firm. So this is the end of the video on the topic of market microstructure deep dive. So guys, if you like the video content or if you are interested into the quant role, so please do like and subscribe my channel. So I'm putting more such videos on the quant researcher, quant analyst, quant developer, or the quant trader role. Such videos we also deep dive into the mathematics part in future. So please like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any open points related to the quant researcher role, so please do comment on that topic, and I'll be help you for to provide the detailed understanding on these topics. So thank you so much guys once again attending this interesting session. Thanks and have a nice day, and please do like and subscribe my channel, so that is the part which motivate me very heavily. Thanks once again, guys. Thank you so much.